Hello, welcome to Parserr. This is our second demo. In the first one, you were able to verify information about inbox, where to find your emails, where to configure your account, email, the phone number, name, and now we are going to dig deeper on how to start creating rules. So the first thing that we need to do is, let's go to our inbox and let's verify which email is the one that we're using as a sample. The second one, it's our sample. We have 3 different rules created, and we have the email content. The email content is basically letting us know that we received a new lead from apartments.com, and inside of this information, it's the renter's information, the renter's preference, when they would like to move to the location, and of course the property information. All of this information is really valuable for real estate agents that are looking to take care of new leads and of course find the best property for their clients. Let's review the first one. Email content. This is also an apartments.com with the renter's information, renter's preference, move date, property information. All the 2 emails have the same information listed in the same way. This will be really helpful for us to start creating the rules, and it will help us to create a rule that will be able to extract information from different emails with the same formatting. So to start creating rules, let's click on here, add new rule. And the first thing that we need to understand is the choose the attribute. This is from where we are going to start extracting the information. So we have the body plain HTML, subject from 2 carbon copy, headers, and attachments. In case you're attempting to extract information from PDFs, Word documents, CSVs, this is the option that you need to go for. For now, let's keep it to body plain HTML. If we scroll down a little bit more, we will have the initial data. That is all the information that is inside of the body of the email. And to start adding rule steps, we just need to click on the green arrow. By clicking on the green cross, we can have more information about the different categories that we have available for you. So we have search and replace, remove unwanted content, find content you need, AI, files, regex. We can find string and date functions, tables, contact enrichment, and tracking numbers. For example, we want to find the email address that is listed inside of the lead information. So let's see. The email address, it's usually under the renter's information and before the renter's preferences. So the first thing that we can do is capture that information so the extraction will be easier for us. For this, we are going to use the Find Content You Need category. Using the arrows, you can navigate through the categories and find more options and different rule steps that you can use. So let's use Find Text After. Let's click on Save. My suggestion is always copy the data input directly from the text so we can avoid any misspellings, issues, and maybe adding spaces where they don't need to be. Let's click on Update and we will have the result. When we add new rules, it's always going to look like this. Content before rule, the space where we need to add the input, and the content after the rule. So after the rule, we see that we have the name, phone, email, lead submitted, and all the information that is before that data. So now we need to find only this information that is before the render's preference. We are going to add a new rule that it's under find content you need, and let's say that it's find all text before. Let's click on save. Remember, it's always going to be content before rule, input, and content before rule. Let's avoid adding spaces when they don't need to be. Let's click on update, and now we have only the piece of information that we need. But we need something more specific. We don't need name, phone, lead submitted. We only need the email address. Since this is the only email address in the text, we can use the find content you need. There is a rule step created to find all the email addresses inside of a piece of text. So let's navigate, and here it is. Find all email addresses. Let's click on save. And here it is. We have content before rule, all the data points, get email addresses, and now we have only the email address. Now the next step is save this rule. Let's give it a name, and there will be email. Let's click on save rule. Now it is saved. Let's go to the incoming emails. And as we can see here, the check marks are in red. So we need to click or select the emails. Click on parse. Let's give it a couple seconds while the information is extracted for both of the emails. And now refresh. It's still not ready. A couple more seconds. Now it's ready. Let's click on the email, and now we have the email. And for the second one, we have the email as well. Great. This is a quick guide to help you start creating your own rules. But in case you need further support, you have a lot of rules and you're pretty confused or something or overwhelmed, we can help you out. Don't worry, our CSS team is always here to help you out. And if you need any support, if you have any questions, you can always reach us out at our website chat or at hello@parserd.com. We're here waiting for you and ready to automate the processes together. So give us a call or send us a chat message.